Sri Gurubhaya Namaha children, welcome to our online teaching academy, Ekaleva, 10th standard, mathematics, state board, chapter 1, already we completed first exercise, in second exercise we completed 3 sums, now I enter with the fourth sum of that question in exercise number 1.2. Represent each of the given relations by an arrow diagram, a graph, a set in roster form, wherever is possible. So, they gave the first subdivision in the form of set builder form as a relation. First we have to get the relation. After getting that relation has to be represented in 3 parts. One is set arrow diagram, second one is graph, third one is set in ordered pair, that means as a roster form. So, already I explained relation can be expressed in 2 ways. One is algebraically, another one is visually, am I right? Algebraically means it can be expressed in the form of roster form. By roster form we can algebraically express that relation, but whereas in visual form we can use the arrow diagram to show. So, both visual and algebraic expression I am going to express in this fourth sum. They gave a set relation in the form of set builder form. First I will write the question again. Here I write the question x comma y such that x equal to 2i comma x is a set which has to be belongs to the number elements 2, 3, 4, 5 and y is a set have the elements 1, 2, 3, 4. We need to get the relation first. So, before going to the relation we have to see the condition what they given. Here they gave the condition as x equal to 2y. The condition is x equal to 2y. We can't get the answer because generally we are going to substitute the value of x comma y means we will substitute the value of x to receive the answer y, then only you can be able to write the pair properly. So, I just rearrange the given condition in terms of y equal to, clear. So, the given that linear equation has to be replaced in terms of y equal to. So, I just write this as y equal to x by 2. Are you clear children why I write like this? Then I am going to substitute each and every value given in the x. In x that is belongs to 2, 3, 4, 5. I am going to substitute when x is 2, when x is 3, when x is 4, when x is 5, like that I am going to use the value for x. So, first when x equal to 2 we will get y equal to 2 by 2. So, the value of y is 1, clear. Again when x equal to 3 we will get y equal to 3 by 2, we will get the y value as 1.5, but which is not in the y set, am I right? So, we can't write that as a relation or we can't write that as a pair. Again when x equal to 4 we can write y equal to 4 by 2, we will get the y value as 2. Yes, we have y value 2 in this given y set. Then when x equal to 5 we will get y equal to 5 by 2, which gives the value of y as 2.5 decimal part, which is also not there in this y set, clear. So, after completing this we have to pick that element pairs which are all there in x set and y set, make it as a pair. When x is 2 we will get y answer as 1, that means when x is 2 we will get the y answer as 1. Then when x is 3 y is 1.5, but it is not there in this y set, so we should not pick that as a relation. Then when x is 4 we will get the y value as 2, we can write that as a relation. When x is 5 we will get the y value as 2.5, we can't able to write that one because it is not there in the y set. So, we will complete this relation which is the relation. Are you clear how I write the relation? So, I write the relation only which is belongs to the set x and y. After writing this relation they ask you to express in 3 forms. First form which is an arrow diagram. An arrow diagram, we have to mention with this arrow diagram. First I will write the x set, y set, x set. It has the element as 2, 3, 4, 5. Y set having the element 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we have to map the elements with the relation R. What are the elements which is mapped when 2 is mapped with 1? So we will get 2 is mapped with 1 as a relation and 4 is mapped with 2 as a relation. This is the representation of arrow diagram. Are you clear, children, how I represent in arrow diagram? So this is a visual representation, very easy to understand by seeing this visually. Then B subdivision, a graph. So you know very well how to draw a graph by axis, x axis and y axis. We have to make it as a graph. I draw a graph with the x axis and y axis with 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and for y axis 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I write the scale for this graph. Scale, I write x axis 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit. Here y axis 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit. After writing the scale, I am going to mark the points over there in the graphical sheet. So the point we received as 2, 1. 2, 1 means when x is 2, y value is 1. So we have to find when x is 2, y value is 1. So this is the point 2, 1. Are you clear, children? Then the second point 4, 2. When x is 4, y is 2. We have to see x value 4 and y value is 2, which is mapped over there with 4, 2 as a point. After marking this ordered pair points, we have to join the line between these 2 points. So which is representation of a graph. Clear with the B subdivision? Then I proceed with this C. The C subdivision, they given a set in roster form. So a set in roster form. Roster form means here we can express that form as a set with set builder form. Set with this ordered pairs 2, 1, 4, 2. This is your roster form. Are you clear, children? Are you clear with this first subdivision, with this fourth sum? Clear? In same fourth sum, we are having second subdivision, same representation of a relation with the form of arrow diagram, graph set in roster form. With the second subdivision of the fourth sum, x, y such that y equal to x plus 3, x, y are natural numbers. We know natural number starts with 1, 1, 2, 3 and proceeds. Those natural numbers should be less than 10. Clear? So first I will write the given relation x, y such that y equal to x plus 3, x, y are natural numbers less than 10. So less than 10 means we have to list out the element. X will belongs to the element 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And x is the element belongs to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. They given the linear equation condition y equal to x plus 3. In this condition we are going to substitute the value of x and we will get the value of y and make it as a ordered pair. So when x equal to 1, we will get y equal to 1 plus 3, which gives y value as 4. When x equal to 2, we will get y value 2 plus 3, which gives the y value as 5. Again, when x equal to 3, we will get y equal to 3 plus 3, which gives y value as 6. When x equal to 4, we will get y equal to 4 plus 3, which gives the y value as 7. When x equal to 5, we will get y equal to 5 plus 3, which gives y equal to 8. Again, when x equal to 6, we will get y equal to 6 plus 3, which gives the value as y equal to 9. So, here we will get the y value as 9. If you are using when x equal to 7, we will get the y value as 10, but we do not have 10 in this y set. So, we should not proceed up after this. Okay, we will stop over here and write the relation which is x comma y in forms of x comma y. When x is 1, y 4, when x is 2, y 5, when x is 3, y 6, when x is 4, y 7, when x is 5, y 8, when x is 6, y 9. So, this is the relation. Are you clear, children, how I write the relation? After writing relation, what you have to do? We have to proceed with the 3 subdivisions of representation. Number 1, arrow diagram. Option A, we use an arrow diagram. In this arrow diagram, we have to write this x set, y set by writing all the elements in the x set as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. For y set, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. After writing the elements in the x set and y set, we have to map the relation. The relation has to be mapped. When x is 1, we will get the y answer as 4. When x is 2, y 5. When x is 3, y 6. When x is 4, y 7. When x is 5, y 8. When x is 6, y 9. Are you clear, children? This is the representation of arrow diagram. Are you clear, children? Then I will proceed with the option B, which is a graph. Same, we have to draw a graphical sheet with x axis and y axis, x and y, 0, mark the values 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And for y, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. I will write this scale for this. Scale x axis 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit, y axis 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit. After writing this scale, then I am going to mark the points. When x is 1, we will get the y answer as 4, 1 comma 4. When x is 2, y 5, 1, 2 comma 5. When x is 3, y 6, 3 comma 6. When x is 4, y 7, 4 comma 7. When x is 5, y 8, 5 comma 8. When x is 6, y 9, 6 comma 9. After plotting the points, we have to join the points by a line which represent the graphical form. Are you clear, children, with the option B? Then option C, they given in set in roster form. We have to write this ordered pairs, set of all ordered pairs as 1 comma 4, 2 comma 5, 3 comma 6, 4 comma 7, 5 comma 8, 6 comma 9. This is the set in ordered pair. Are you clear, children? So, only with the same question we are doing 2 subdivisions. Are you clear? Any doubt with this 4th sum? Shall we proceed with the 5th one? Are you clear? In question number 5, exercise number 1.2, they gave a big question, but the answer is very easy to you. Okay, by seeing the question, don't get the attention. It's very easy answer only. A company has 4 categories of employees given by the assistant as A, clerks as C, manager M, and executive officer E. So they gave four category of employees in a company: assistant A, clerk C, manager M, and then executive officer E. The company provides salary rupees 10,000, rupees 25,000, rupees 50,000 and rupees 1 lakh as salaries to the people who work in the category A, C, M and E. That means assistant earn 10,000, clerk earn 25,000, managers earn 50,000 and the executive officer earn 1 lakh. Clear children? If A1, A2, A3, A4 and A5 were assistant, how many assistants are there? 5 assistants are there. So each assistant we are going to mention with the name A1, A2, A3, A4, A5. And C1, C2, C3 and C4 were clerks. So how many clerks are there? 4 clerks are there. C1, C2, C3, C4, 4 clerk members are there. M1, M2, M3 are managers. So they have 3 managers in the company: M1, M2, M3. And E1 and E2 are executive officers. So the executive officers, 2 executive officers mentioned as E1 and E2. Are you clear children with this question? And if the relation R, we are going to frame a relation R which is defined as X or Y. Already told, the relation has to be defined from A to B or B to A, like that. Here they are going to mention the relation in terms of X or Y. X or Y, where X is the salary, that shows that X will be mentioned as salary given to the person Y. So salary 10,000 is given to the person assistants, salary 25,000 is given to the person's clerk, salary 50,000 is given to the person manager and salary 1 lakh is given to the person executive officer. Express relation R through an ordered pair and also an arrow diagram. We have to express the given in relation in terms of ordered pair and arrow diagram. Two visual, one is algebraically, another one is visual representation. So first I am going to write the given things in the question. They given A1, A2, A3, A4, A5 were assistants and earn rupees 10,000 as salary. Are you clear? A1, A2, A3, A4, A5 were assistants and earn rupees 10,000 as salary. Then clerk C1, C2, C3, C4 were clerks and earn rupees 25,000 as salary. Next, M1, M2, M3 were managers and earn rupees 50,000 as salary. Are you clear children? Next, E1, E2 were executive officers and earn rupees 1 lakh as salary. So first we written what they given in the question as a statement, then we have to proceed with this option A, which is an ordered pair. An ordered pair, set of ordered pairs we have to mention with the relation. So R equal to, we have to mention with the ordered pair. So first we will start with assistant. So they told to mention the relation from X to R, X related to Y, and X is a salary, Y is the person. So from the salary to the person we have to map as a ordered pair. So salary got 10,000 by first clerk, first assistant. Then again the same salary 10,000 received by second assistant, and again 10,000 salary received by third assistant, then 10,000 salary received by fourth assistant, then 10,000 salary received by fifth assistant. So we completed assistant part. Then we have to proceed with the clerk part. So clerk received 25,000, am I right? So 25,000 received by clerk 1 and 25,000 received by clerk 2, then 25,000 received by clerk 3 and 25,000 received by clerk 4. Are you clear, children? So we completed clerical part. Then we move with managers. So manager received 50,000 as salary received by first manager and 50,000 salary received by second manager, then 50,000 salary received by third manager. Are you clear, children? Then for executive officers, he received 1 lakh. Am I right? So 1 lakh received by executive officer first one, then 1 lakh received by second executive officer, then close set bracket. So this is the set in given relation in ordered pair. Are you clear with this ordered pair? Any doubt? So we completed the first part, ordered pair. Then I am going to proceed with the option B, which is an arrow diagram. An arrow diagram. So in arrow diagram, x is the salary and y is the persons. Am I right? So we have to mention with the x as a salary and y as a person. We have to make it as a relation. Am I right? So the salary, what are the salary received by the persons? The salary is rupees 10,000, rupees 25,000, rupees 50,000 and rupees 1 lakh. So these are the salaries received by the persons. So I am just map the salaries. Then I am going to map the salary with the person Y. So persons, what are the persons we have for assistant? A1, A2, A3, A4, A5. Yes, I completed 5 assistant. Then we have clerical part. How many clerical parts? 4 clerical assistants, clerical staffs are there. C1, C2, C3, C4. Then how many managers? 3 managers. M1, M2, M3. Then 2 executive officers, E1, E2, which is the persons. Are you clear, children? How I mark as a arrow diagram? Then I am going to proceed with the marking. 10,000 received by A1, 10,000 received by A2, 10,000 received by A3, again 10,000 received by A4, then 10,000 received by A5. Are you clear, children? Then 25,000 received by C1, 25,000 received by C2, same 25,000 received by C3. Then 50,000 received by M1, 50,000 received by, sorry, here C4 we have one more, sorry, here we have to mark it as C4. Then 25,000 received by the manager 2, 25,000 received by the manager 3. Finally, for 1 lakh it was received by the executive officer, again 1 lakh received by the executive officers. So this is the representation of arrow diagram for the given question number 5. So with this we are going to complete your exercise number 1.2, which is on the topic relation. In the next video we will move with our next topic. Clear, children? Do you have any doubt with this topic relation and exercise number 1.2? I think so, no, everyone clear. Okay, thank you. To receive our online lessons, please press the subscribe button. You will receive the latest updates. Thank you, children.
SRMJV is not just a school, it's a one-time experience.
VM Nagar, Tiruvallur,